let's talk about family value system regards to African homes in Africa, to be specific. Now in Africa, when you wake up in the morning, every child is supposed to greet their senior. After you have greeted your father, your mother, you greet your senior. Age by age, you greet one another. Why the last born or the least by age in the house have nobody to greet him or her by way of traditional greeting. After that, everybody picks their own responsibility. Like the ladies will go to the kitchen, start helping mommy to clean up the kitchen, because you must sweep the kitchen before you start cooking. You don't cook with the dirt, of yesterday in the kitchen. You must first of all keep the kitchen clean before you cook, because it is an abomination to cook upon the dirt that was in the kitchen yesterday. So you clean up the kitchen first of all before you cook to this own.